Hello and welcome to Gorgon TV. In this video I will be talking about hydrogen, what it is used for and how it is produced. Hydrogen was officially discovered in 1766 by the British chemist Henry Cavendish, who collected the flammable bubbles released after adding iron filings to sulfuric acid. He was able to show that these bubbles were different to other gases, and that when burned with hydrogen they produced water. In 1783, the French scientist Antoine Lavoisier named this gas hydrogen after the Greek words for water and forming. At room temperature, hydrogen is a colourless and odourless gas, consisting of one proton in its nucleus and a single electron orbiting it. This gives the element a relative atomic mass of 1.008, making it the lightest of all elements. It is the most abundant element in the universe, and on Earth it is commonly found covalently bonded to oxygen in water molecules. Hydrogen has many uses. It can be a potential green fuel for the future, as its combustion with oxygen produces only water. Metallic hydrogen is often touted as the next big development in rocket propulsion. In the plastics and pharmaceutical industries, it is used to make the intermediates methanol and cyclohexane. During oil refining, it is used to remove sulfur from fuels. In the agriculture industry, hydrogen is used to make ammonia for fertilizers via the Haber process. The glass industry uses hydrogen as a protective atmosphere when making flat glass sheets, and the electronics industry uses it as a flushing gas when making silicon chips. Around 70 million tons of hydrogen are produced each year, mainly for oil refining and chemical production. As mentioned earlier, hydrogen is the most abundant element in the universe. However, because on Earth it is only found bonded to other elements, these bonds must be broken before pure hydrogen is available for use. Commercial hydrogen is made by three processes. Production can be achieved through the electrolysis of water, where an electric current is used to split water into oxygen and hydrogen. However, at present this is 4 times more expensive than the current commercial production process, and that's before the cost of the electricity required is factored in. While being thought of as a green source of energy, 95% of hydrogen is actually produced from fossil fuels such as oil, coal and natural gas. Charcoal consists mainly of carbon and water. If burned in a reactor at temperatures between 1200 and 1500 degrees C, the charcoal releases gases that separate and reform to produce diatomic hydrogen and carbon monoxide. The hydrogen can then be separated for commercial applications. The most common method used to produce hydrogen is steam methane reforming. When exposed to steam and heat, the carbon and hydrogen atoms of methane separate. After 2 sequential reactions, they reform separately to produce diatomic hydrogen and carbon dioxide. However, a problem with this process is that it requires natural gas, and natural gas production is coming with heavier environmental costs these days. In conventional natural gas deposits, the gas generally flows easily up well shafts to the surface. But in the US and other countries, natural gas is more commonly being produced by fracking. Fracking involves forcing water, chemicals and sand down a well under high pressure into sedimentary rock formations. This process breaks up the sediment formation, releasing natural gas trapped in the rock and enabling it to flow back up the well. Although natural gas combustion produces less CO2 per unit of energy generated from coal, the primary constituent of natural gas, methane, is a powerful greenhouse gas with 120 times the radiative forcing of CO2 on a mass-to-mass basis, even if it has an effective atmospheric lifetime of only 12 years. Thank you for watching. Please stay tuned for more videos in the future and have a good day.